Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, the market is not in a very good condition. We have broken the support for pretty much all the altcoins, even including Bitcoin. Keep in mind, Dogecoin and a lot of meme coins, or the meme coins in general, are not doing very well. If we just look at the trading volume, it has dropped by 40% just in the last 24 hours. Keeping in mind that Dogecoin has fallen short to 14 cents and actually getting closer and closer to 13 cents. If you guys do not know, just like how Bitcoin leads the chart when it comes to the overall crypto market, Dogecoin leads the chart when it comes to the overall meme coin market. So seeing that Doge is not performing so well, this is probably the perfect time for you to accumulate. Why am I saying this? Because this is the time when you will be seeing large amount of trading volume on the larger altcoins. Now keep in mind, overall, yes, the trading volume is down, but for the large one, it's gearing up for something even bigger. And this would be a perfect opportunity for you to buy into an altcoin that you think you can hold long term. And the one that I have been mentioning, telling you guys before it is too late, get into it, is PLAYDOGE. Now you guys can see, compared to the last time when I made the video, which was sitting close to 3.4 million, now it's sitting at 4.6 million. It's still in the pre-sale stage. $4.6 million have been raised, and trust me, if you feel like this is too late now, it's definitely not. There is still such a long way to go. I personally feel like even before the pre-sale comes to an end, the token will already be at the market cap of 15 million, and that's already a 3x from where we're sitting right now. For the people who do not know what this token is about, it's going to be a play to earn game that will be released later down the line, and the currency that will be used in the game will be PLAYDOGE, and that is what is on pre-sale right now. If we look at their Twitter page, it's actually getting so much attention. They're nearly closing in close to 5,000 followers. 17 hours ago, post got nearly 3,000 views. Now that should give you a little bit of perspective how many more people are actually paying attention to this token. Also, the game is actually looks pretty insane in my opinion. If you guys do not know, if you have the 90s nostalgia, you have been playing on Nintendo, this is pretty much how the game is going to look. You will be able to play with your Doge. At the same time, you will be able to go to, missions and also be able to fight other people. Now, doing all that, you will be earning a token which will be called PLAYDOGE, and you will be able to just use that token for other things to purchase inside of the game. The roadmap is very simple. Just get the contract audited. Phase 1's already been completed. Development begins. Pre-sale concludes. So that's pretty much what everyone is waiting for right now. And then phase 4 is where the real magic is going to begin, when the PLAYDOGE app releases and launch of many games is going to be occurring. Just keep in mind, this game is going to be taking the whole market by storm. I'm not saying this game is completely something new that we haven't seen before, but keep in mind, this is going to be the first game that's going to include memes and play to earn, and also bring the 90s nostalgia. So there's just too much happening, which is on the positive side. At the same time, 50% is going to pre-sale. Then you will see that staking is 12% and 6.5% to community rewards and 10% to marketing. This will allow that the token is still being talked about by as many people as possible around the world, because more people find out about it, more people are going to invest in it, the price will go higher. If you do want to purchase it, it's actually very simple to do so. You can just go to the description of this video, click on the link, it will take you to this website, click on connect wallet, connect your wallet, select how much Ethereum or USDT you want to convert into PLAYDOGE, and then you guys will receive the amount. Right now the price is sitting at 0.005, but it will be increasing in just under a day, and that's going to be the time when there will be a little bit of a change. And after you purchase the token, you can actually stake it away straight away at a return of 163% per annum, which is very, very good. The Telegram following is just around the same as their Twitter following, and also their smart contract I've mentioned before a couple of times, but critical, high, medium, low, no issues at all. It is a perfect contract. If you do want to purchase, as I mentioned, the link is in the description. There's so much that's still yet to happen with this token. It's very early into it. You definitely do not want to miss it. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it if you're new to the channel, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.